A few people have been asking for a simpler example of representing fractions. So I'm going to try and back up a step or two here and just show you a bit of a simpler example. So let's pretend for a second that we have three friends. We'll call them Alex, Brian, and Chad, so that we can call them A, B, and C. And let's say Alex, Brian, and Chad want to share one pizza. So even though last time I told you don't use circles because they're harder to split up evenly, for now let's just say that we can split circles into thirds pretty quickly. So if I have three friends and they want to share one pizza, we would know that, well, each friend is going to get a third of the pizza. So that's going to go to Alex, that's going to go to Brian, and that's going to go to Chad. And we would say that each friend gets 1/3. But now if the same three friends all of a sudden have a second pizza, well, we're still going to split that pizza into thirds. And that's still going to go to Alex and Brian and Chad, and they're going to get 1/3 of that pizza as well. So just like with the chocolate bar problem, what we realize is how we define our fraction is really important. Because we can say that each friend's going to get 1/3 of each pizza, and that would be true. Alex getting 1/3 of this pizza and 1/3 of this pizza. We could say that each friend is getting 1/3 of all the pizza, and that would be true because Alex is getting 2 out of 6 pieces, which can be simplified to 1/3. Or if we rearrange this a little bit, we could say, well, Alex is getting these 2 pieces, and Brian is getting these 2 pieces, and Chad is getting those 2 pieces. So we could, and we would be right in saying this, say that each friend is going to get 2/3 of a single pizza. And so again, how we define our fraction, it makes this correct or incorrect, but we can have 2 different answers depending on how we define the fraction. If we say that this 2/3 is of a single pizza, that is correct. Or we could say that each friend is getting 1/3 of each pizza. Or we could say that each friend is getting 2/6 or 1/3 of all the pizza. And all 3 of these ways are correct as long as we say what our fraction is representing. Is representing all the pizza, a single pizza, or each pizza.